Hey traders! Trying to decide between AMP Futures and NinjaTrader for your futures trading. Both are heavy hitters in the futures world, but they've got different styles and strengths. In this chill, in-depth review, I'm going to break down everything: fees, platforms, safety, and more, to help you pick the one that vibes with your trading game. Let's dive into AMP Futures versus NinjaTrader in 2025 and see which one's your match. AMP Futures is a US-based futures commission merchant, FCM, that's been around for years, focusing on futures markets like commodities, indices, and currencies. They're known for super low commissions and a massive lineup of over 60 trading platforms, including NinjaTrader, Sierra Chart, and MetaTrader 5. AMP is regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and a member of the National Futures Association, NFA, so they're legit and play by strict rules. NinjaTrader's a bit different, rocking both a brokerage and a powerful trading platform. Also US-based, CFTC regulated, and an NFA member, they've been around since 2003 and are loved for their advanced software, especially for futures and forex trading. They acquired Tradivate in 2022, but we're focusing on NinjaTrader's core offerings here. Their platform's a beast for charting and automation, and their brokerage ties it all together. Picture AMP Futures as a buffet with tons of platform choices and cheap prices, while NinjaTrader's like a gourmet meal, focused on its own high-powered platform with brokerage built in. Let's see how they stack up. When you're throwing your cash into futures trading, you want to know your broker's not going to disappear with it. Both AMP Futures and NinjaTrader are solid here. AMP is regulated by the CFTC and NFA, meaning they follow strict rules, like keeping client funds in segregated accounts so your money stays separate from the company's. A Trustpilot review from 2025 gives AMP 4 stars from 765 users, praising their reliability. One thing to note, futures trading with AMP doesn't come with investor protection schemes, so there's no extra safety net if the broker goes bust. That's normal for futures brokers, but it's worth keeping in mind if you're new. NinjaTrader's also CFTC regulated and an NFA member, so they're just as legit. They segregate client funds too, adding a layer of security. Like AMP, there's no investor protection for futures trading, which is standard in this space. A post on X from @IndiaWikifX on May 16, 2025 highlights NinjaTrader's focus on precision and reliability, and there's no chatter questioning either broker's credibility. It's a tie on safety. Both are trustworthy, regulated, and keep your money safe with segregated accounts. The lack of investor protection is a shared quirk, but it's not a deal breaker for most traders who know the futures game. Fees can hit your profits hard in futures trading, so let's see how these two compare. AMP Futures is a budget trader's dream. They're known for ultra-low commissions, like $0.37 per side for futures like the S&P 500 E-mini, which is some of the cheapest around. A 2025 review on dailyforex.com notes their low-cost structure, with minimal or no brokerage fees for certain services. There's no inactivity fee, so you're not penalized for trading less often, and the minimum deposit is just $100, making it super accessible. The catch? Fees can vary depending on which of their 60-plus platforms you use. Some, like NinjaTrader or Sierra Chart, might have extra costs for data feeds or features. You'll need to check the specifics for your setup. NinjaTrader's fees depend on your plan. Their free plan has no upfront cost, but commissions are higher, around 35 cents per contract for futures. For cheaper trades, the monthly plan costs $99 a month, or the lifetime plan is a one-time $14.99, dropping commissions to as low as $0.09 per contract. Exchange and clearing fees apply, usually $0.5 to $2 per contract. And real-time data feeds cost extra, like $30 per month for CME data. There's no minimum deposit, which is great for small accounts, and no inactivity fees. A post on X from @TraderCane on April 7, 2025 says NinjaTrader's margins are competitive, like $1,000 for a mini contract versus AMP's $3,000 for a micro, which could save you cash on smaller positions. AMP wins for low commissions, especially for high-volume traders who can score rates like $0.37 per side. NinjaTrader's paid plans can be cheaper long-term for active traders, but the upfront cost might sting for casual traders. If you're on a budget, AMP's likely the better pick, but NinjaTrader's lifetime plan could be a steal if you're committed. Your platform's like your trading cockpit. It's gotta feel right and have the tools you need. AMP and NinjaTrader take totally different approaches. AMP Futures doesn't have its own platform. Instead, they offer over 60 trading platforms, including NinjaTrader, Sierra Chart, Quantower, MetaTrader 5, and TradingView. This is awesome if you're picky about your tools or already love a specific platform. Quantower's free with AMP and great for charting, while Sierra Chart's a powerhouse for technical analysis. A Reddit post on r/futures trading notes AMP's Quantower is solid, but lacks a mobile app, which we'll cover later. The variety's a big plus, but it can overwhelm beginners, and some platforms might need extra setup or fees for data. NinjaTrader's platform, NinjaTrader 8, NT8, is its bread and butter. It's built for futures and Forex, with advanced charting, customizable indicators, and automation tools like NinjaScript for coding strategies. You get SuperDOM for order flow, market replay for practice, and back testing for testing ideas. A Reddit post from 2025 calls NinjaTrader way more intelligent than simpler platforms, and it's packed with pro-level tools. It's available on desktop, web, or mobile, with the desktop version being the most powerful. The web version's good for lighter trading, and an X post from @CodeGenie on May 15, 2025 praises NinjaTrader's multi-device support. Some advanced features need a paid lease or lifetime license, and the free plan limits what you can do. AMP's the pick if you want tons of platform choices and don't mind setup. NinjaTrader's better for a polished, all-in-one platform tailored for futures and Forex. If you're new, NinjaTrader's single platform might be less daunting. If you're a pro who loves customization, AMP's variety is your jam. Mobile trading's key if you're not stuck at your desk. Here's how they stack up. AMP Futures falls short here. They don't have a dedicated mobile app, which is a big drawback. Some platforms they support, like TradingView or NinjaTrader, have mobile apps, but these aren't built for AMP's setup, so you might hit issues like delayed data or missing features. A Reddit post on r/futures trading from 2025 calls this a pain point. If mobile trading's a priority, AMP's not ideal. NinjaTrader's mobile app is better. It's functional for basics, placing trades, checking positions, and viewing charts with real-time data. It lacks advanced tools like NinjaScript or SuperDOM, but it gets the job done for quick checks. Reddit users say it's decent for monitoring, but not for heavy trading. An X post from @NozTechAI on May 14, 2025 mentions NinjaTrader's multi-device support, but the mobile app's a sidekick to the desktop. NinjaTrader wins for mobile trading. Their app's not perfect, but it's a solid option for trading on the go, while AMP leaves you relying on third-party apps that might not deliver. Both brokers focus on futures, but let's see what markets they offer. AMP Futures covers a wide range of futures markets, including commodities like oil, gold, or corn, indices like S&P 500 futures, and currencies. They support micro futures, great for smaller accounts with margins as low as $50 to $500 versus $1,000 or more for standard contracts. AMP doesn't offer spot Forex trading like EUR per USD, stocks, or crypto like Litecoin. It's all futures. NinjaTrader covers similar futures markets, commodities, indices, and Forex futures, with micro futures support too. Unlike AMP, they offer Forex trading, so you can trade pairs like USD per CAD or EUR per JPY, adding flexibility. They don't offer stocks, mutual funds, or spot crypto like Litecoin. NinjaTrader gets a slight edge for offering Forex trading alongside futures. If you're only into futures, it's a tie. Both cover the same core markets with micro-future support. Good support can save you when your platform's acting up or you're stuck on a trade. Let's compare. AMP Futures offers 24/7 support, which is a big win. You can reach them via phone, email, or live chat, and Trustpilot reviews with 4 stars from 765 users praise their responsiveness. especially for platform setup. Users say AMP's team is quick to help with their many platforms, though some note support quality can vary. NinjaTrader's support is decent, but not 24/7. You can contact them via email, phone, or chat. But Reddit users have mixed feelings. Some praise tech support, while others complain about slow responses during busy market hours. NinjaTrader's community is a strength, with forums, tutorials, and third-party add-ons for troubleshooting. An ex-post from @ThousTraders on May 14, 2025, calls their support unmatched for tech help. AMP edges out with its 24/7 support and strong user feedback. NinjaTrader's community is awesome, but their support's less consistent, especially outside regular hours. Which one's easier to use? Ease of use matters, especially if you're new or don't want a complex setup. AMP Futures can be intimidating for beginners. With over 60 platforms, you've got to pick one, set it up, and maybe deal with extra costs for data or features. A 2025 YouTube comparison notes this variety's great for pros, but overwhelming for newbies. Once set up, platforms like SierraChart or Quantower are powerful, but there's a learning curve. NinjaTrader's platform is more streamlined, but still complex. Its clean interface offers customizable charts and tools like NinjaScript, but it can overwhelm beginners. Reddit users say it's pro-level but takes time to master. The demo account's great for practice, and the web and mobile versions add accessibility, though the desktop's where it shines. NinjaTrader wins for user experience if you want a single, polished platform, especially for intermediate to advanced traders. AMP's flexibility is great, but needs more effort, making it better for pros. All right, let's wrap it up. AMP Futures and NinjaTrader are both legit, regulated brokers that shine in futures trading, but they're built for different crowds. Go with AMP Futures if you're an active trader who loves low fees and tons of platform choices. Commissions like $0.37 per side and 24/7 support are hard to beat, but no mobile app and a complex setup might be a drag. It's perfect for pros who don't mind tinkering. Pick NinjaTrader if you want a powerful, all-in-one platform with a mobile app and Forex trading. The NT8 platform's a beast for charting and automation, and the lifetime plan's $0.09 commissions are a steal for high-volume traders. The mobile app's basic and the learning curve's steep, but it's great for a polished experience. Your choice depends on your style. If low costs and flexibility are your thing, AMP's your pick. If you want a slick platform with mobile access, NinjaTrader's the move. Try their demo accounts to test the vibe and check their websites for the latest details. Happy trading!